Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're jumping in to show you exactly how to buy meme coins. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, make sure to smash that bell notification icon. We're dropping videos pretty much every single day on the channel, and you're going to want to get notified. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. It is my gift to you. Grab it while it's free, and let's get into the video. So, the meme coin narrative has been on a rip for the past 12 to 18 months or so, and meme coins as a whole have been the best performing narrative year to date. If we jump over to the Dune Narratives dashboard, we can see here narrative year to date performance comparative. Meme coins are still by far and away the best performing narrative of 2024 thus far, followed by real world assets, liquid staking derivatives, identity, Bitcoin, privacy, etc. But meme coins are out in front, and even when we go down and look at the volume per narrative, meme coins are blowing all of the other narratives out of the water when it comes to the sheer volume and the amount of dollars going into meme coins over the course of 2024 thus far. Again, you can see just how big this candle is compared to the next best with artificial intelligence, layer 2s, liquid staking derivatives, Telegram, etc. So just setting the context, memes are outperforming the rest of the market. They have been since the beginning of 2024. And as investors continue to seek alpha in this cryptocurrency ecosystem, it seems like the meme coin narrative is not slowing down. Again, even after we've seen the recent pumps with Bitcoin, we're gone back above the $67,000 level with Bitcoin here at the middle to end of July. We saw a big bounce back up over the past week to 10 days from those kind of $53,000, $54,000 lows. Getting back up above $67,000 is a great bounce, but the meme coins once again are bouncing in the immediate aftermath of Bitcoin going back above $67,000. We can see here Dogecoin is up 20% in the past 7 days. Pepe is up over 42%. WIF is up over 64%. If we scroll down even further, we can see the likes of Turbo up almost 100% in just the past 7 days. PopCap also up about 97%. So when we see Bitcoin making those moves higher, the meme coins are often the fastest followers in terms of making gains to the upside after Bitcoin has a nice bounce to the upside. So again, just setting the context, meme coins are making a name for themselves this cycle and continuing to be the best performing narrative. So how can you buy meme coins? Well, there's three main ways that we're going to focus on in this video and show you a very quick tutorial. The three ways are: number one, using a traditional centralized exchange; number two, using a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, for example; and number three is one of my new favorite ways, using an app called EchoPay, which is kind of a hybrid of a centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. We're going to show you an example in this video as well. But first and foremost, again, if you want to find out which exchange your favorite meme coin is listed on, you can come over to CoinMarketCap and find your relevant meme coin. We're going to use Brett for this example, but if we click into Brett, we can get a very quick snapshot here of all of the Brett markets and where Brett is available in terms of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. So we can see it is available on Uniswap, on the Ethereum chain. We can see it's also available on centralized exchanges like Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, etc. So if we jump over to Bybit as an example of a centralized exchange, we can see here that when we come into the trading and the spot trading area, we can open up the trading interface on Bybit and we can simply do a quick search for Brett and it'll actually bring up the Brett USDT trading pair. Again, the prerequisite here is that you have an account created on a centralized exchange. It's a very straightforward process. You can come over to bybit.com, you can create an account. You will need to do KYC verification, but you're then going to also have to fund your account either with crypto from a different wallet or a different exchange. You're going to need to send some into Bybit, or you can fund your account with a bank transfer or a a debit or credit card purchase to add US dollar or euro, whatever your local currency is, into your Bybit funding account. We've got other tutorials on the channel on exactly how you can do that for Bybit as well, so you can check out that specifically in another video on the channel. But you will need to create the account, you will need to do KYC, and you will need to fund your account so that you can actually purchase your favorite meme coin. But once you do, you find the selective trading pair, just like we found BRET USDT here. If you want to market buy that token, that means purchasing that token at the quoted market price here. We can see that BRET is currently back above the 15 cents level. It's putting in some nice green candles here over the course of the past couple of days. You would then select the amount of USDT you want to purchase worth of BRET. So again, you might fund your account with, let's say, $500 worth of USDT. You then want to purchase a market purchase of $500 US worth of BRET. You will then click the buy BRET button and it will execute that market buy in that exact moment. You will then have those funds in terms of the new BRET added into your unified funding wallet here on Bybit. So again, the process is relatively similar no matter what centralized exchange you're using, whether it's KuCoin, Gate, or BitGet. You're going to have to create an account, you're going to have to do KYC, and you're going to have to get funds into your centralized exchange wallet in order to execute a purchase of your favorite meme coin on that centralized exchange. Way number 2 is jumping over to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. So again, let's use BRET as the example here. If we jump over to app.uniswap.org, Uniswap is one of the leading decentralized exchanges in the entire crypto space. When you're using a decentralized exchange, you obviously need to make sure you have your wallet connected. So you're going to need to have a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet or a self-custody wallet of some type created as a prerequisite to using that decentralized exchange. You connect your wallet to the decentralized exchange using your browser. So for this example, we've got MetaMask in our Chrome web browser here. That is connected with our wallet here in the Uniswap exchange. And then the second thing you need to do, and this is also very important, is you need to make sure you're connected to the correct network, because Uniswap is an EVM compatible decentralized exchange, meaning that it supports many of the tokens that are supported by the Ethereum virtual machine. That includes Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Base, BNB, etc., etc. So you need to make sure that you have the correct network or chain selected. For example, in this instance, we're going to be using Base because we know that BRET is the #1 token and #1 meme coin on the Base network. So we select the Base network. The next thing to do, obviously, just to make sure that you're absolutely 100% purchasing the correct token, because again, all of these tokens use contract addresses on decentralized exchanges. You want to make sure that you're selecting the correct contract address. Take it from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko directly. You'll know that you're using the correct contract address. You need to copy that contract address to your clipboard, come back over to Uniswap, and then paste in that contract address, and it'll actually bring up the BRET token for you. So this removes any doubt. When you're using decentralized exchanges, technically anyone can create a contract address for a new token. And if you happen to purchase the wrong, token from the wrong contract address, you're purchasing an incorrect version of BRET or an incorrect version of the meme coin that you actually want to purchase. So double check the contract address, get it from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, select the BRET token here. Again, what we're going to do, for example, is purchase 1 BRET here and see if it works on the Uniswap exchange. We can purchase 1 BRET for 15.1 cents. If we click on swap, that's going to ask us to confirm the swap. It's then going to open up our MetaMask wallet and ask us to confirm it directly within the MetaMask wallet. Again, we scroll down, we click on confirm. It'll execute the swap. It'll say swap is submitted. Swap has been successful. And there you go. We've just purchased 1 BRET token. So again, that process is going to be pretty similar no matter what token or meme coin you're purchasing on the Uniswap exchange. For example, Uniswap does not support Solana. And if you're using Solana, you can hop over to a decentralized exchange like Orca, for example, and you can use Orca to purchase Solana native meme coins. So for example, WIF is a Solana native meme coin. We're going to come over to CoinMarketCap once again. We're going to copy the contract address for WIF, and we're going to come back over to Orca. We're going to select the token dropdown. We're going to paste in our contract address. It brings up the correct official WIF token. We select WIF here in the dropdown, and then we can use Solana to purchase WIF. Again, in the same manner as we had our wallet connected on Uniswap, you will need to connect your wallet, and you're going to need to have a Solana compatible wallet like Phantom or Solflare to connect to the Orca exchange in order to actually purchase some WIF tokens. So again, the prerequisite to using a DEX is that you're going to have a wallet that is compatible with whichever DEX that you're using, and then also you're going to need to have some funds in that particular wallet already in order to go and purchase your favorite meme coin. Again, we've got tutorials on the channel on how to fund different types of wallets. You can check those out in different videos or drop a comment in the video below if you have any specific questions, and I'll definitely try to answer it. Finally, the third way in which you can purchase your favorite meme coins is using a solution called EchoPay. You can come over to echopay.xyz or app.echopay.xyz in your browser, and it's going to open up an interface that looks just like this. I did an interview a couple of weeks ago with the founder of EchoPay, Casper Lusinger. You can check it out on the channel. He's a great guy, and the team behind EchoPay are doing very exciting things. But EchoPay is kind of like a hybrid between a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange, because what you can do with EchoPay is you can come over and you can actually use single sign-on to create a new account. And by doing that, you actually automatically create a wallet for the assets that you want to purchase via EchoPay. So again, normally when you go through the process of creating a self-custody wallet like MetaMask or a Trust wallet, you have to create a seed phrase, which is normally 12 or 25 words. You have to write that down, store it in a safe place, make sure you never lose it, and make sure that you back it up, because if you lose that seed phrase, you basically lose access to all of the funds in that account. So by doing that and by using EchoPay, you can actually bypass the need for creating a seed phrase, and they will create the wallet on the back end, and you're basically using it similar to how you use single sign-on, just like signing into a Google account. So you can do that, you can create your account, you can sign in. Basically then you can use this drop-down to select your favorite tokens. They do support a number of your favorite meme coins like Brett, like Mog, like Pepe, like Boop, like Turbo that we just... You can simply select the token that you want to purchase. You can then select the amount of that token you want to purchase, and you can click on the Buy Brett button. You're going to use MoonPay to purchase those tokens directly with a credit or debit card, and it's extremely, extremely seamless. So those are the three ways in which you can purchase your favorite meme coins. Hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea. It is a relatively straightforward process once you understand how to do it across decentralized, centralized exchanges, and using a solution like EchoPay might be the perfect middle ground just for you. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, make sure to smash that bell notification icon. As always, we will see you in the next one. But before you leave, don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below, and we'll catch you in the next one.